Wake up to a tail in my face. Start the day with a sprinting race. Kitty's claws on my yoga mat. We stretch together, but no time to chat. Cats and cardio, life's a blur. Purring beats as my heart concurs. Chasing tails while the rhythm flows. Feeling funk, let's see how it goes. Leap and lunge like a jungle queen. Sweat keeps dripping, glossy sheen. Cat jumps high, I match the climb. Our workout's wild, it's all